Okay, I'm catching my breath for a second. I'm trying this horizontally, but see, your eyes do weird things. I'm gonna try really hard. Like, oh! So if I look like I'm doing this, it's because I really don't know where to look on this dang thing. Anyway, maybe I just won't look. You guys just get to follow along. So this is not my first trip around the sun. I'm not a spring chicken. I'm used to weather up here in South Dakota. I've lived up in this kind of area most of my life, and so I'm used to it, like nature being a fickle beast. But it's toying with my emotions this year a little bit. It's spring, and then it's not spring, and then, it's February. I know we have a lot of winter left. I get that, actually. So I shouldn't be surprised by what we got, but they were calling for like 1 to 2 inches. Oh, we are so far past 1 to 2 inches at this point. So far past, honestly. And my dogs are like super excited. Like, okay, you've had your rest. You've caught your breath. Let's go. So, feeding calves with my kid. Yep, that's my kid. Can you believe it? That's my kid. He's trying to be super serious, by the way. That thing is his dog. It was super helpful all the time.
Yeah! Let's go, kids! Let's go!
Oh, you could slow down.
Come on, kids! Hustle up! Hustle up!
Come on, hydraulics.
Oh!
It's cold. Hydraulic. Woo, the pickup came up off the front end. Girls, you ready for this?
Part is when the net wrap gets stuck under the teeth. This makes it a little easier. Bye, Hydrabed.
He's so excited to talk on the video. He can hardly stand himself on dust. Girls, can you believe the snow? That is spring. Not quite, huh? Here comes your hay. Doesn't smell good enough or what? And you're just gonna eat it off the ground? Hey kids. Yeah, no, you're waiting for the bale, huh? That one doesn't look like a very good piece, guys. I'm ready for spring. Girls. Tried to keep them pacified with hay. They figured us out. They're shoveling out feed bugs and they're like, oh, might be some good stuff coming. I think you'd like me to put my camera away and help shovel, huh, Dust?
Huh?
Would you like me to put my camera away and help shovel?
Do what you want.
I'm getting to fill feed buckets. Fill buckets. He carries them out and fills them in feed buckets. And it's flipping cold. Look at those ears shivering. It's not because she's cold. Might be something to do with those. Huh, genders? You'd really like to go work those, wouldn't you? Do you like these new pellets or no? Huh? Okay, so son and I, my oldest son, that one is Dustin. He and I are out. We've fed calves already, and we are looking for sheep now. There's horses this way, so I guess.
Does not mean there's sheep.
Yeah, maybe not. Anyway, I was gonna ask Dustin
white
a
sheep
couple.
in the snow.
Yeah, white sheep in the snow. Jenny, can you find them? You probably could.
Sure, up this hill.
Yeah,
sheep.
maybe. Anyway, I was gonna ask Dustin a couple quick questions while we drive across this bouncy pasture. So, Dust, you also drive truck. And I think he loves driving truck, don't you, Dust?
Yep.
What is your favorite? Do you like hauling cattle, sheep, hay, grain, or gravel the best?
You're gonna throw hauling sheep in there along with hauling cattle.
Yeah, I am. I totally threw it in there. Which one is your favorite?
I can tell you right now, hauling sheep is probably the lightest load.
That is the truth.
You could pack that thing clear to the gills, 200 head on a single cattle plot, and barely know there's anything in the trailer.
That's true. They're not always the easiest to load, though, are they? And definitely not unloading. So do you like cattle the best? Or do you prefer gravel or grain or hay?
Well, I've had many people question why I take on cattle because they say, why don't you just do gravel? You can unload that with a flip of a switch.
That's true.
So yeah, but it don't pay near as well as hauling cattle does.
I also think a little bit of it is because he really likes the people he hauls cattle for. He enjoys the camaraderie of all the guys that he gets to haul cattle with. Would you say that's probably true?
For the most part. There's a couple of older guys that really love having a young hand on hand because then the young hand gets to go inside with all the mean cattle and unload them.
Dustin made the mistake, or the really nice thing, because maybe we raised you right. I don't know. Maybe that he offered to help an older trucker unload his, and now that guy seriously looks forward to when Dustin's there, doesn't he?
If he hears I'm coming trucking, he is right there with me. He does not let me get out of eyesight of him.
I think they found us, actually. I'm not even sure we found them. They just found us. Bonner Lass! How's my girl? Hey! Hi, Bonner Lass. She's